That's a nice one. Sorry. Better you than me. I mean, I said, Mom, all I gotta do is believe in Jesus. Whoa. She said, yep, that's all you gotta do. Oh, sorry. Oh, I am so sorry you got stuck in a ditch. It happens, people. You know, you're not always a bad driver when you're driving down the road and you get stuck in a ditch. Black ice everywhere, man. It's slippery. Look at those roads. They're covered. Oh, there's a car in the ditch. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, it happened. Alright, you guys, check that out. The snow is literally brownish, yellow and brown. I mean, I'm not kidding. It's not just in one area. It's everywhere. What's going on? Try to zoom in a little bit. Look at that. That's the snow. The color of the snow, man. All right, so you got to check this out. I'm going to show you the snow. Look at the snow. You really can't tell right now, right here. I'm going to show you a little later in the video, but a lot of the snow is yellowish, brownish type. And it's not yellow because of you know what. I made it funny. No, for real though. I mean, look at those clouds too. Look up. That's still coming our way here. You see that? Those are black. I mean, if you could honestly see what I'm seeing, the cell phone that I'm using is not doing justice right now. Okay? Wow. And then icy, literally the roads are covered in ice. Black ice. It's invisible. You can't see it. That's why it's called black ice. Because you think it's okay, you're going down the street and boom. It happened to me, guys. I was cruising down the street, 6 o'clock in the morning, going to work. A dead-end job. I mean, literally, that job was hell. Hell. All right, you're going to work and I'm having my coffee, and then all of a sudden there's a car in front of me, right? Just literally spin out, sit in the middle of the road. I hit the brakes. I almost flipped my vehicle. I'm telling you, I almost flipped it. I would have been dead. And you wouldn't get to see this video. You wouldn't get to hear this beautiful voice. But anyway, massive snowstorm here in Minnesota. It's literally down the Midwest here. It's covering the road. The roads are covered in ice, spinned out vehicles, everywhere, vehicles in the ditches. I mean, wow. Straight up. Visibility, windy. I'm telling you, I shouldn't be driving right now. I should be staying home. Everybody should be staying home. This is not right. This is Minnesota, not Alaska. It shouldn't snow this much. In April, people in Florida be chilling, laying down on the beach and stuff, enjoying their life. But me, I gotta go. Oh, look at here. Look at here. What we have here. Hi. Sorry about your luck. Anyway, you guys, listen, pay attention. I mean, I said, Mom, all I gotta do is believe in Jesus. Whoa. She said, yep, that's all you gotta do. Oh, sorry. Oh, I am so sorry you got stuck in a ditch. It happens, people. You know, you're not always a bad driver when you're driving down the road and you get stuck in a ditch, or you spin out, or you get in a car accident, okay? I know I sound a little arrogant, but I'll just do it for the videos. I'm not really arrogant. But honestly, it happens. Sometimes it just happens. You get in a car accident and, you know, but don't, like, think that I'm better than you or whatever. I've gotten into some car accident. That's why I'm making this video. I want you to realize that, oh, there's a car in a ditch. Oh, that's a nice one. Sorry. Better you than me. But, you know, pay attention. Watch what you've been doing. Because you can end up in these ditches and getting stitches. That rhymes. I made a good one. Oh, look at those clouds, man. Wow, it's been snowing. And those roads are covered in ice, bro. Man, slow down, dude. Why you gotta be going real fast like that? Shit. So, I mean, my mama told me, look at that guy. Man, come on, dude, clean up your stuff. All his stuff flying in my car and stuff. Dang, I'm trying to teach you some lessons here. Look at these roads, yo. These roads ain't no joke. I mean, this is straight up deadly. But what I'm trying to say is that, oh, wow, it's windy. The roads are covered in ice, black ice. It's been snowing nonstop, day and night. Look at those clouds, too, man. Those are some deadly, scary looking clouds. Yeah. But my mama said, watch out when you're driving down the road. Watch out, pay attention. You're going to end up in a ditch. And then the mama said, watch out. Ooh, look at that car in the ditch. But mama said, watch out for women, Women be playing you. They lie. Alright? And then my mama said, trust Jesus. And I said, alright. Ever since then, I've been trusting Jesus. You know what I mean? I told you, this ain't no joke, but people don't let